My name is Sanujan. I am from Sri Lanka.
And my name is Varshan. I am from Sri Lanka.
We are from LIA BSD. In this video, we are going to show how to make a dry wool lamp.
All in simple steps.
Yeah. To make dry wool lamp, you will need a balloon, lamp, wool,
Plug, screwdriver, 1 meter wire, and then lamp holder. Now we mix the glue with water in a bowl, like this.
and draw a small circle at the size of holder in the top of the balloon. And mark at the bottom to roll the wool like this. Should be like this. After you mix the glue and water, it should be look like this, watery. It should be thick. And then you put the wool inside the glue. Take the first point outside and put the wool inside the glue. And put it deeper, 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 deeper. And then take the wool and just put it like this and roll it. This is how it looks after rolling the wool. See this part that I rounded, it doesn't roll by wool. This part too. Just roll this part. After let it dry for 1 day. Let's see after 1 day. At first, you fix the plug in one side of the wire, then cut the wire like this in other side. Then we are going to work on the holder. Put the holder inside the wire, just like this, and take out. So, just like this. Then take the holder. Just do the wire like this, and then put into the holder and screw it again like this. The same for others. Just like this. Then fix the holder cap and take the lamp and then put it inside. Just fix it. Then let's see how it's working or not. Let's check if it's working or not. Yeah, it's working now. Wow. This is how it looks after dry. Now we are going to blast the balloon.
Then we will fix the lamp.
In here. Okay, we can blast. Oh my god. Wow. Take out. This is how it looks after fixing the lamp. Okay, let's try. Wow, it's wonderful.